In the course of creating or editing a worksheet, you may find at some point you need to increase the magnification of the worksheet display to 120%, for example, and at another point you may want to return it back to 100%. You may also want to add some freezing panes in the View tab and using the Freeze Panes button, as you learned in the previous video. And as you can see here in this worksheet, we have this section related to the fall semester courses, and if you scroll down to a given position, you have another section related to the spring semester courses. So when you are editing this worksheet, you may find yourself going back and forth between these two sections. So instead of manually taking the time to set up the worksheet display and set up your magnification settings, or scrolling back and forth, or for example adding the freezing panes, you can use the Excel custom view feature to save multiple custom views and use them whenever you need it. So let's see how to do this. Go to the View tab, and under the workbook views, click on custom views. So this will open the custom views dialog box. So before magnifying or adding freezing panes, for example, I advise you to add a custom view for the normal view of this worksheet. So let's say click on add, and this normal view, as you can see, it has a 100% magnification, and it is all the way scrolled to the top and to the left. So let's name it default and hit the OK button. Now let's add another custom view where we zoom in 120% and we add freezing pane to the first 3 rows. So we select row number 4, go to the freeze panes and click on freeze panes. So let's click on custom views and click on add, and let's name it fall plus freezing pane plus 120%. Let's hit the OK button. Now let's click on unfreeze panes and scroll down to the next section, the spring semester. Now let's add freezing pane for these rows that contain the header and the spring semester. So we select row number 119, click on freeze pane, and now we are at 120 magnification, and the headers of the spring semester are freezed. So let's click on custom view, click on add, let's type in spring plus freezing pane plus 120%. Let's add another one. For example, click on unfreeze pane, zoom out to 100%, and let's go down to the bottom, and let's create a custom view. Click on add and type in bottom plus 100%. Hit the OK button. So if you want to choose any custom view that you have created, click on custom views again, and if we choose the default one and click on show, you can see that we will return to the normal view of this worksheet. Let's click on custom views again. Let's choose this one, spring plus freezing pane plus 120%. Click on show, and you can see we are in the second section and the headers are frozen. Let's try for the fall freezing pane also. Click on show, and we will return to the fall section with the first 3 rows frozen, and we have the 120% magnification. Let's return back to the default custom view. So also you can save different print areas to your custom views, since when printing, Excel will allow you to choose one print area and print your selection. So we can use custom views in order to have different selection, and in this way we can have different print areas. So for example, let's say we want to print the following selection from column A to column F, for example, and to row number 12. This include only the courses related to the school name BU, which is the business school name. And let's click on custom view, click on add, and let's name it fall plus BU, business courses. Let's hit the OK button. Now if you click on custom view again and click on fall plus BU and click on show, this will automatically select the previous selection. Now you can go to the file tab and you can click on print, and here in the settings change the print active sheets to print selection, and we can adjust this. For example, change the orientation to landscape, and you can see here it is printing the selection. So let's go back and let's add another selection. For example, let's choose the spring semester all the courses related to the art and science. Click on custom views, click on add. So let's write spring plus AS and hit the OK button. So now if you click on custom view, for example, and you can double click on this spring plus AS, or you can click on the show button. So let's double click, and this will automatically select these cells. So if you go to the file tab and to the print, you can see here that we are in the spring semester, and all the cells related to the arts and science school name will be displayed in the print preview. So let's go back. Now what I advise you is to use these techniques to switch to different custom views in no time.